Tuesday, December 12, 2023. Our Lady of Guadalupe. Focus. If a man has 100 sheep and one of them has gone astray, does he not leave the 99 on the mountains and go in search of the one that went astray? What a caring shepherd is here portrayed. He leaves 99 on the mountain because the lone missing sheep is very precious to him. A businessman would consider this a waste of time. After all, the money lies with the majority. Good economics dictates that the possible loss of one sheep is too trivial to risk the rest. Jesus clearly follows a different business plan, one in which every sheep counts and is treated with deep tenderness. Each person is unique and has infinite worth. So precious are we to Jesus that He went to the extent of giving His life for us and thereby gaining heaven for us. He says to each of us, "You are my beloved," repeating the words the Father says to Him. This same sentiment is echoed in the first reading. Indeed, the tone of today's readings is exultant as they invite us to rejoice in the Father's personal love for us. As Christmas draws nearer, the liturgy reminds us, through such passages, of the unfathomable love of God, a God who knows and calls each one by name. Fruit. As I bask in my shepherd God's love for me today, may I respond by staying close to Jesus so I will not go astray.